Handheld routers give users the freedom to create curves and grooves in wood and to smooth out rough edges. There are many products available to choose wood routers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wood routers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Makita HP Compact Router. If you need a handheld router that won't flare up your carpal tunnel syndrome, this featherweight router can still pack a punch with variable speeds ranging from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM. It features a flat-top design with shaft lock for quick and easy bit changes. Even better, it includes a high-visibility, removable base for added convenience. Because of its lightweight overall, the Makita RT0701C offers a more ergonomic design for operators of different hand sizes. This is designed with a soft start motor to offer the operator a smoother transition when starting a cut. Makita offers a 1-year warranty with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. What we like about it: quick and easy bit changes, ergonomic design, smooth transitions when cutting. What we don't like about it: must purchase an edge guide separately, hard to hold a depth setting while pressing down the clamp. Thumb screws on the locks and adjusters are plastic. Number 2. Dewalt Router, Fixed Base. For the best all-around handheld router, our pick is the Dewalt Router DWP611. There are other routers that offer more horsepower and higher RPMs than the DWP611's 1.25 HP, 7A motor. Nevertheless, the Dewalt DWP611 is capable of delivering speeds ranging from 16,000 to 27,000 RPM. It allows the operator to set the speed they want to fit the needs of the project. Like most handheld routers, it features a soft start that allows the device to build up speed for better control as you begin, before holding a constant set speed like releasing the clutch slowly rather than dumping it. The key feature that makes this model our best pick is that it comes equipped with dual LED lights and a clear plastic base that allows the operator to see the bit clearly during use. The DWP611 weighs a little over 4 pounds, and the plunge base comes with a fine-tune adjustment rod to offer a precise depth setting. The Dewalt DWP611 comes with a 3-year limited warranty. What we like about it: you can set the speed you need. Clear plastic base to see the bit. Precise depth setting. What we don't like about it: large and hard to hold comfortably. Power button is stiff. Bits can loosen in the collet. Number 3. Bosch 2.25 HP Electronic Fixed Base Router. If you want a handheld router with power, we recommend the Bosch. It gives the operator control of a 2.25 HP 12A motor capable of producing a range of 8,000 to 25,000 RPM speeds that can be controlled through a variable speed dial for better precision. With more horsepower comes more weight, as the Bosch tips the scales at 11.25 pounds. But it's a more sturdy feel while working. Bosch fitted the 1617 EVS with wooden handles to make operating this handheld router as comfortable as possible. It comes equipped with a chip shield, mounting hardware, both a 1/4 and a 1/2 inch self-releasing collet, and a fixed base. It also has a drop-forged and above-table height adjustment trench. Bosch offers a 1-year limited warranty, 1-year service protection plan, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. What we like about it: variable speed dial for more precision. Sturdy. Very powerful. What we don't like about it: power switches can fail prematurely. Base plate is black and not visible. Takes 2 wrenches to change the bit. Number 4. Metabo HPT Router. The Metabo HPT M12VC router is a great tool for shaping your next woodworking project. It has an 11-amp motor with 2 1/4 peak horsepower and is designed for chamfering, cutting, trimming, and shaping patterns, fine groove cutting, and window cutting. This router makes controlled and precise cuts and has a 2-stage motor release clamp, which allows you to quickly make simple and accurate depth adjustments and base changes. It also features electronic speed control to maintain RPM regardless of the load. We like that it produces only 79.5 decibels of noise and features an ergonomic design, which makes it more comfortable to use. Plus, it will not bog down in 3/4 inch hardwoods. Users also like the fact that it's easy to operate. What we like about it: makes controlled, precise cuts. Quieter than some rival brands. Ergonomic design. What we don't like about it: Stock collecting is not great for high-volume jobs. No light. On-off switch is in an awkward location. Number 5. M18 Fuel Compact Router. If you're looking for your first handheld router, consider the M18 Fuel Compact Router by Milwaukee Electric Tool Corporation. This trim router weighs just under 5 pounds and has a variable speed range of 10,000 to 31,000 RPM, which will give you precise control for clean edges. This cordless compact router has a 1.25 HP brushless motor and is powered by a lithium XC 5.0 battery. It can cut up to 250 feet of 3/8-inch roundovers in red oak and has a micro-adjust dial and macro-adjust button with a 1.5-inch adjustable range. What we like about it: produces nice fit and finish. Easy to operate and adjust. Secure bit hold. What we don't like about it: not a lot of power. Dust collector accessories can easily break off. When the battery dies, you need to wait for a recharge. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.